In this video, I'll walk you through how to back up your data on an Android phone. It's a really simple process and it works on pretty much any Android device out there. Let's get started. Begin on your home screen. Swipe down from the top right corner to pull open your control panel. Once it's open, look for the gear icon. That's your settings. Tap on it. Now you're in the settings menu. Scroll down toward the bottom until you find System. It's usually near the end of the list. Go ahead and tap on it. Inside System, scroll down again. You'll see an option labeled Reset. Tap on that. Now you'll see a few different reset options. You can reset all settings, mobile network settings, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, or just accessibility settings. And at the very bottom, there's an option to factory reset your phone, which would wipe everything and make it like new. But before you do any kind of reset, you need to make sure your data is backed up. So head back to the main settings screen and look for Accounts and Backup. Tap on it. From here, you'll see options for cloud backup and external storage. If you don't have an SD card or USB drive handy, you can use the cloud backup option. Samsung Cloud, for example, gives you some free space to work with. Tap on Backup Data. Your phone will start scanning for everything it can save: apps, contacts, photos, videos, downloads, and more. Once the scan finishes, you'll see a list of everything available to back up. You can go through and select exactly what you want to keep, or just select all to be safe. When you're ready, hit Backup Now or Update Backup depending on what your phone shows. It might ask about backing up secure folder data. You can choose yes or no based on your preference. Then it'll start preparing and backing up your files. Once the backup is complete, your data is safe. Now you can go back and reset your phone if needed, knowing everything important is stored in the cloud. And that's really all there is to it. If this video helped you out, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.